All right, so for what is food, for the what is food assignment, we're going to go to the assignment, right? So when you open right here, when you click on that link, it'll take you to the assignment. What is food? It says using the internet or using internet resources, five common fuels known as hydrocarbons, they're right here, and five carbohydrates, they're right here. Write the chemical formula for each in the space provided. So you have here five hydrocarbons: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, and you have to find the chemical formula. So you're gonna go online resources, and we're gonna start with methane. And here you go, methane. There's a description right there, and the chemical formula is CH4. Always remember to write the numbers of the atoms in lowercase. Okay, so CH4 meaning one carbon, four hydrogens, and then you can write the description right there. For ethane, you have to do the same thing. You gotta look for ethane on the internet, and there's a description right there, and the chemical formula is C2H6. Always remember to have the numbers in lowercase form because that indicates the number of atoms, meaning 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. You gotta do the same thing for all of the rest, and don't forget to write the description. As you're writing this, you're going to start observing or looking for some patterns of all these lists of hydrocarbons. You gotta find two. It'll start becoming kind of obvious. Now, for carbohydrates, you gotta do the same thing. You gotta look for glucose, fructose, galactose, hexose, and maltose. So if you look for glucose, you should know the chemical formula C6H12O6. So you write it there, right? You gotta do the same thing for all of them. Now for carbohydrates, make sure that you finish all the way through maltose before you write your observations patterns of carbohydrates. So you gotta finish all of this and then you can work on this. Then you can use these patterns to answer some questions about it for level 3. And for level 4, you're gonna use your entire knowledge from level 2 and level 3 to complete these questions. They're a little bit more application and a little bit more reasoning and reflective. There you go. That is it for what is food.